Hi, I'm your host Jeremy and this is Lingo Yes. And in this lesson we're going to learn 3 different ways to express your hope and wish. In this lesson we divide these 3 expressions according to their possibility. The first one is 希望, which means it's highly possible to achieve. You can directly translate 希望 to hope and wish. It means it's really likely to happen. Let me give you some examples. 希望你是对的，希望你是对的。I hope you're right. I hope you're right. 希望所有人平安无事，希望所有人平安无事。I hope everyone's safe. I hope everyone's safe. 希望一切顺利，希望一切顺利。I hope everything goes well. I hope everything goes well. So this is the first expression, 希望. It means something is highly achievable. Now we're going to learn the second expression to say hope and wish, which is 但愿, 但愿. You already noticed that 但 right here, right? It means but. 愿 directly translated in Chinese is wish and hope. So this contains a connotation that you're very uncertain about it. You're very uncertain about it. Okay, let me give you some examples. 但愿你是对的，但愿你是对的。I hope you're right, but there is a high possibility that you're not right. 但愿一切顺利，但愿一切顺利。I hope everything goes well, but there is a high possibility that something may be screwed up. 但愿如此，但愿如此。I hope so. I hope so. It means we learned this idiom in our previous lesson. It means you really hope something happened according to your thought, your logic, your hope, your wish, right? But the fact is, it may be not happen like what you think it is. All right, now we're gonna learn the last expression, which is 要是就好了，要是就好了。It contains a connotation that something is highly impossible to achieve. Let me give you some example. 要是我会说中文就好了，要是我会说中文就好了。I wish I could speak Chinese, but the fact is you can't speak Chinese, right? You always say, I wish I could speak multiple language, but the fact is you can't. So that's the time you use 要是就好了，要是就好了，要是 Alan 在就好了，要是 Alan 在就好了。I wish Alan was here, right? But the fact is he is not here. 要是有人帮忙就好了。要是有人帮忙就好了。I wish somebody was here to help me, but the fact is, there's nobody to help me. I'm all alone. Now let's do the wrap up. We'll learn 3 different ways to say wish and hope. The first one is 希望. Hope, wish, it has a high connotation. This has a connotation that something is highly achievable. Second is 但愿, 但愿. It means, wish and hope, but it contains a connotation that something may not happen. The last one is 要是就好了，要是就好了。If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.